Hey, we're here to show you some of that there stuff. Castrol Super Clean. Actually, it's just Super Clean now. It used to be Castrol Super Clean. I've been using this since I was a little kid, but they changed. It's not Castrol Super Clean now. It's just Super Clean. Different company apparently bought it, but I bet it's the same great product. We're gonna clean this air conditioner over here. Come on over here, Tasha, and show them how pretty that is. This side. Right up there in that grill. That is nasty. This one here says it dissolves grease. And this one says it's for all wheels. This one says it's for Tough Task Cleaner Degreaser. For now I think we're going to go with that one. And then it gave us a little thing of floor absorbent. Alright, so let's go with this aerosol can. Go ahead and move over there, bud. I'm going to go ahead and spray her down, because this is really messed up. I want to get right up against it, so I want to see that stuff. You know what we might do? We might roll this thing on its back. Like that. Let that stuff really get down in there. Let her sit for a while. So I'm sure it's going to need a bit. We'll put it in there good and heavy. This air conditioner has never been cleaned in at least 5 years of summers. 5 summers, so time right now to clean her up. It's not summer yet. It's a good time to do this while it's not burning hot. I don't have a whole lot of gumption energy wise, but we're going to see if we can do this. Been so sick lately that can't hardly eat anything. It's not good, but we're going to do what we can, well we can, and all we can. Let's see how this stuff works. Let's let her sit up. It's got a wonderful aroma. All right, guys, we'll bring you back. Hey, YouTube. We're back for the spray down of this condenser on this air conditioner. And I'm telling you what, down here so you can see her there, buddy. It loosened it up. Loosened it up quite a bit. So let's get the hose out. Let's spray it down. Don't get my camera wet though. Back up just a bit.
Okay.
How's that?
Wow.
I'll tell you what, that was a good test of that Super Clean. Super Clean does work. That was a really good test for that. It's like that had grease and oil in it from cooking in the house and stuff. That had hair in it from, you know, just sucking the human hair, and it had dirt, dust, whatever. But I do know it had some grease involved in it. Look at that. Nasty. Alright, we're going to give her one more shot of that. I think it would be fine without it, but I think I'm going to do one more shot of it. And then we'll roll over and do the other side. But yeah, that's impressive, really. Let's let that sit there and leach back down through. And then we'll go ahead and clean her up again. And I'll be ready to put it back together, but that's the product right there. I like it. I have to say it's all right stuff. Nothing wrong with it. I've used a lot of products over the years. Being 50 years old, I've used a lot of products. Clean that right up too. Clean that right up too. You can't get the yellowing off of it. That's just from being in the window from the sun bleaching it. But hey, I'm impressed in it so far. That's good stuff. Getting hard to find good cleaning products. You know, I've been using the Dollar Tree stuff. Been using the Awesome cleaner. That LA Totally Awesome, and it works good for $1. It works great, but for heavy duty stuff like this, you got to get yourself some of that stuff. That works great, good. That's super clean. Yeah, I'm probably gonna go uptown and get a couple cans of that. That's good stuff. I remember using it a little long ago on a car. I bought an old '60s car. And back then it was called Castrol Super Clean. And I cleaned the steering wheel, had mechanic grease all on it. I mean, it was all greasy. And I used some of that on it, and it stripped it right down to where it was just clean plastic. And it was just black greasy junk. That works the same. All right, we'll bring you back. We'll show you the finish. Hang on. Alright folks, time to do the final cleanup on it. See if we can get the junkie out of it. And this junk is just rolling out of there. It was pretty thick. While we're at it, get all the junk off the fan blade. put some on the back grill here too. Yep, the dirt's rolling out of it too. See the dirt rolling out the bottom. Roll her over, get the water out of it now. Spray that down a little more. And then that AC will be good for another year. We'll straighten the fins out a little bit. Whenever you put an AC in storage, the fins get bent just a little bit. They're not hard to straighten though. I have a video on that too. After she dries out, be a great AC again. Yeah, I have a video on how to straighten these fins with a hair comb. Yep, just a cheapy dollar store hair comb. There we go though. Ready to roll for another year. I'd say you go get yourself some of that there. That was all freaking black and greasy. Turned it back into the blue color it's supposed to be. Good product. Thumbs up, YouTube. Love y'all. God bless. Bye-bye.